So this is the butt of the tower. So we are now entering.
This monitor is right now. This monitor. And right here, right? Yes, Madison. Wedding hall. Yes, around Mount Beach. Front area is a restaurant. Fukuoka Tower top height is 234 meters. Yes, and this tower top floor height 123 meters. お腹で最上階、天幕3階、お借りしております。
Thank you.
Thank you. いらっしゃいませ。
Yay! Amazing. Wow.
뺐어? 네가 원래 이렇게 했네.
맞아.
하나는 그 정도 많이 듣는데 많아. 내가 얼굴이 안 나오는데 그건 조금 지금 안 적혀있는 그거 지금 했어요. 야, 그 이번에 그거 알아? 다른 거 모르겠네. 이렇게 붙어 있으면 되죠. 다른 거 같아.
The best cake in Fukuoka, the best location to eat a cake in Fukuoka is here in the Fukuoka Tower. This is great. なんかみんなが綺麗な写真撮るためこここういうリフレクティブライトの壁とそれで天井もついてしかもサンセットのライトも見れる素晴らしい。So here it is 234 meters. However, Japan has all these other towers that you could visit, but this one is pretty tall. The one we are now in. Only the Tokyo Tower and Sky Tree are taller. So we are in the third tallest tower of Japan. And I have this such a cute thing here where you can take picture with your love, and you can also have your love key here and write your wish, and they have zillions of such keys all over the place. So unless you hold hands here and have each of you hands on the heart, it will not have any effect.